Hey everybody, welcome to Explain America. I'm your host, Carmine Sabia, and we got a hot story for you today coming out of Arizona. A lot of big things happening in Arizona with the elections and the courts. It's been crazy. Got that coming right at you. But first, as always, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow us at Explain America on Facebook. When you're on Facebook, go to your little search bar at the top, type in Explain America Lounge. You can also join our group that way. Just go to the Explain America Lounge, ask to join, and you get to chat with us, other patriots, talk about the things that are going on in the world today, especially in our country, especially with the Biden administration and all that entails. So we'd love to have you. Please join our group. Okay, an Arizona judge, a Superior Court judge, has dismissed a case brought by Republican Abe Hamada, who is campaigning to be the next attorney general. It gets very complicated. See, he only lost by a little over 500 votes in a statewide election. So, what the judge said was because the election has not been certified yet, he can't bring the case because the election results are not official. However, the Republican National Committee is involved in this case with him and also is a plaintiff. Once the election results are certified, because the Republican National Committee is not part of the Arizona electorate, they can't join the lawsuit. What that means is he's not going to be able to ask for as many things in terms of documentation and evidence and things of that nature and records because it's a different kind of case at that point. So he does apparently intend on bringing this case after the election is certified. Now, here's where it gets even more complicated. Who certifies the election in Arizona? Katie Hobbs. Katie Hobbs is the current Secretary of State who has apparently defeated Kari Lake for governor, although Kari Lake contends that she was not defeated and she's demanding a recount. She's taken the case to court. And so it's just a hot mess coming out of Maricopa County and Arizona. Now, the attorney for the attorney general, the person who won to be the new attorney general, the Democrat candidate, was kind of bragging about this and saying it was the correct decision. But you're talking about 510 votes. So what does that do? Well, by Arizona law, a margin that razor thin triggers an automatic recount. And 510 votes is not a lot of ground to make up if anything was miscounted, counted incorrectly. As you see a lot of times with these recounts, votes can really move one way or the other. So it's going to be super interesting to see. It's also a wonder that if he's that close, how's Kari Lake not that close? How's Kari Lake down by thousands? That kind of seems weird, doesn't it? Like, how did that happen? People didn't vote a straight Republican ticket. Did Kari Lake turn off that many voters that they voted for a Democrat for governor, but a Republican for attorney general? Were they paying that close of attention? Maybe we don't give the voters enough credit for how much they really look into each issue. I don't know. But I think questions have to be answered. I think court is the appropriate place for it. And, I don't know the law enough to know if this was a correct decision by the judge or not, but we're going to see with these recounts in these court cases exactly what's going to happen. Hey, folks, I want to thank you so much for joining us here today at Explain America. Again, I'm your host, Carmine Sabia. Please, if you liked this video, like it, share it, comment. We love to read your comments. Please make sure you subscribe and are following us at Explain America on Facebook and checking us out in the Explain America Lounge where you can chat with us and other like-minded patriots. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody.